नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रो, मी सचिन पाटील कॉम्पिटिटिव्ह विभव पोटेन्शियल टू अचीव्ह सक्सेस या यूट्यूब चॅनलमध्ये आपल्या सर्वांचं स्वागत करतो. आपण MPSC आणि UPSC मध्ये विचारले जाणाऱ्या ऑप्शनल सब्जेक्ट त्यामध्येच मॅथ्स या सब्जेक्टचा आपण विचार करत आहोत. मॅथ्स या सब्जेक्टमध्ये आपल्याला पेपर 1 250 मार्क, पेपर 2 पण 250 मार्क असे एकूण 500 मार्काचा आपल्याला विचार करता येतो. आणि याच्यामध्ये पेपर 1 मध्ये असणारा एक महत्त्वाचा टॉपिक ऑर्डिनरी डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन जो आपल्याला 40 ते 50 मार्कासाठी विचारला जातो. या सब्जेक्टमध्ये या टॉपिकमध्ये आपण फॉर्म्युलेशन ऑफ डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन, फर्स्ट ऑर्डर फर्स्ट डिग्री डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन, त्याचे वेगवेगळे टाइप्स, इंटिग्रेटिंग फॅक्टर आणि आता त्याच्यानंतर रूल फॉर फाइंडिंग द इंटिग्रेटिंग फॅक्टर फॉर नॉन एक्झॅक्ट डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन which is mdx plus ndy is equal to 0 हे आपण बघणार आहोत. तर याच्यामध्ये पहिला रूल आपल्याला बघायला मिळतो. रूल नंबर 1 related to consider mdx plus ndy is equal to 0 and this is a homogeneous equation. What is it mean? M and n are homogeneous of same degree. Okay, that means what? M and n are the homogeneous functions of same degree in x and y. In x and y at that time. जर समजा m dx plus n dy is equal to 0 हे एक होमोजेनियस इक्वेशन असेल आणि m आणि n हे x आणि y मधली दोन काय असतील फंक्शन्स असतील तर त्यावेळी then 1 divided by m into x plus n into y is a integrating factor is here. Integrating factor. This is your first rule. Okay, and rule number 2, we just concentrated on these two rules only. Third, fourth and fifth rules are in next lecture because we are going with the rule and along with its what you can say, along with its example. So our video becomes a lengthy, and for this purpose I divided these rules for finding the integration factor in two parts. Rule number 1, rule number 2 in one part, and rule number 3, 4, 5 in a second part is there. Okay, and according to that, let you to consider m dx plus n dy is equal to 0 is of the form let you to consider f1 xy into dx and plus f2 xy into dy is equal to 0. Okay, and at that time m is nothing but f1 xy and n is equal to f2 xy. And then we are going with the then integrating factor for this is 1 divided by mx minus ny is there. Okay, and here mx in both condition, just when we write mx plus ny is not equal to 0, and here also mx minus ny is not equal to 0. At that time it is a work as a integrating factor for those differential equations which is not non-exact differential equation, because we know that integration factor is important for making non-exact differential equation into the exact differential equation, and for this purpose we find out the integrating factor, and here we are going with the rules of finding the integrating factor. First rule is related with what? M dx plus n dy is equal to 0. It is homogeneous. That means what? M and n are the homogeneous of same degree in x and y. Then you will get the integrating factor is 1 divided by mx plus ny is there, and mx plus ny is not equal to 0. And second rule is what? M into dx plus n dy is equal to 0 is of the form f1 xy. That means m is the function of xy and n is the function of xy at the time. Just only it is a function, and no anything. That means it is not a homogeneous or whatever be there. And at that time the integrating factor is 1 divided by mx minus ny is there. Okay, and according to these two rules, we are going with the two examples related with the rules are there. Okay, now this is the example related with the rule number, because these are the two equations like that. Solution is here: 2x minus y into dy plus 2y plus x into dx is equal to 0. Here compare with m into dy plus n into dx is here. Okay, m into dy and n into dx is here. You will get the what I can say, just a moment. Okay, then m is equal to 2x minus y and n is equal to 2y plus x is here. Okay, and these are the homogeneous in degree 1, and therefore we have to find out the mx plus ny is here, and m, that means you get the 2x minus y into x plus n 2y plus x into y is there, and we multiply x inside the bracket. You will get the 2x square minus xy plus y is multiplied here 2y square plus xy, and therefore xy cancel to each other. You will get the 2 is common, and from that you will get the mx plus ny is equal to this, and therefore integrating factor is equal to 1 divided by mx plus ny. That means 1 divided by 2 into x square plus y square, and omitting 2, we get integration factor is equal to 1 divided by x square plus y square, and this is your first part related with it. That means can make exact by integrating factor 1 divided by x square plus y square. Now another part is what we want to solve that equation, and for this purpose we find out the f is equal to integration m into dx, where y is a constant is there. And for this purpose we have to take the m is equal to what? M is equal to okay, m is equal to 2x minus y into dx is here, and according to that you have to get the 2 into integration x into dx minus y into integration dx, and therefore you will get the 2 into x square divided by 2 plus y into x is here. 2 cancel to each other, x square plus xy, and this is your f is here. Okay, and after calculating the f, just one mistake is there. First of all, we multiply this integration factor to that equation, and after that you have to take the m is there. Okay, sorry for that. First of all, we are getting the integration factor, and integration factor is multiplied to the equation 1, and then make it exact, and after that you have to find out the integration, and therefore you will get the 2x minus y divided by x square plus y square into dy plus 2y plus x divided by x square plus y square into dx is here, and According to that, you will get the is equal to 0. And right now in this equation, we are going with a it is a exact one, exact differential equation, and therefore we find out first m is equal to 2x minus y divided by x square plus y square, and n is equal to 2y plus x divided by x square plus y square. And right now f is equal to integration of m into dx, y taking a constant, therefore integration of 2x minus y divided by x square plus y square into dx is here. And here we find out this is divided to 2x divided by x square plus y square into dx plus minus y is taking a constant, and therefore 1 divided by x square plus y square into dx is here. Okay, and derivative of x square is 2x present inside the numerator, therefore you will get the log of x square plus y square is the integration, and minus y into integration of this is by using integration 1 divided by x square plus s square into dx is equal to 1 divided by a into tan inverse x divided by a is there, tan inverse x divided by a is there. According to this formula, y is kept as a constant, and therefore you will get the integration of this is nothing but a 1 divided by y into tan inverse x divided by y is there, and y cancel to each other, and you will get the log of x square plus y square minus tan inverse x divided by y, and this is your f. After that you want to calculate the g, and for the calculating g we use n. Does not have any constant term, and only term contain y, so that g is equal to 0. And according to what you can say, where I want to write, okay, I will take here according to rule of exact differential equation. This is exact differential equation, and you want to find out the solution of that differential equation, and which is nothing but a f plus g is equal to c, and here f is nothing but this one, and therefore log of x square plus y square minus tan inverse x divided by y plus g is equal to 0, and therefore directly we have to take the c, and this is your final solution by using first rule of homogeneity. And according to homogeneous equation, 1 divided by mx plus ny is the integration factor. Multiplying this integration factor on both sides, you will get the equation which is exact differential equation, and taking a m, we first calculate the f, and here n is the term which does not contain any term without y, without x, and any constant is there, and therefore for finding the integration of n with respect to y at that time, this having a value 0, and therefore g is equal to 0, and therefore we use f plus g is equal to c, and according to that rule, f plus g is equal to c log of y square plus x square minus tan inverse x divided by y is equal to c. This is the solution of that differential equation by using rule 1. Right now we are going with another example which is related with the rule number 2 is there. Okay, this is the differential equation we want to solve, and it is related with the rule number 2. By mistake, one mistake in the inside the rule number 2, just I repeat it, and according to that you have to follow it. And inside the rule number 2, rule number 2, just change m dx plus n dy is equal to 0, and it is in the form of f1 x comma y into dx plus f2 x comma y into x into dx. I forgot the x and y, these two factors inside the rule number 2. Just pair it according to, or correct it according to f1 xy into y dx plus f2 xy into x dx is there. Sorry, dy is there. And according to that, you have to take the m is equal to what? f1 x comma y into y. That means this is your first factor is there, and according to that, x square plus y square plus x plus 1 into y. This is your m, and n is equal to what? f2 x comma y into x is there, and this is your second factor, and x square plus y square, sorry, second term is there, minus xy plus 1 into x. Okay, and at that time we are go through rule number 2, and rule number 2 is nothing but a mx minus ny. First of all, we have to calculate the mx minus ny is here. M is nothing but a x square plus y square plus xy plus 1 into y into x minus n into n is nothing but a x square plus y square minus xy plus 1 into x into y is here, and this is the xy, and therefore we multiply it inside the you will get the x cube y cube plus x square y square plus xy minus once again x cube y cube minus minus plus x square y square minus into plus minus, and 1 into xy is nothing but a xy is there, and therefore these are the terms which are cancelled to each other, and you will get the 2x square y square is here, and it is nothing but a mx minus ny. And according to rule number 2, integrating factor is equal to 1 divided by mx minus ny, and therefore it is a 1 divided by 2 x square y square is there, and according to eliminating the 2, you will get the integrating factor, omit 2, we get if is equal to 1 divided by x square y square. And right now multiply this 1 divided by x square y square to the equation, you will get the and according to that you multiply and then resolve it, you will get the exact differential equation, which is non-exact differential equation. Multiplying this here, I will take it here. Okay, I perform directly, that you can say. Okay, multiplying this 1 divided by x square y square on both sides, you will get 1 plus 1 divided by xy plus 1 divided by x square y square into y into dx. What you can say, x square y square, here it gives 1, here it gives 1 divided by xy, and here it gives 1 divided by x square y square is there, and plus again here multiply this, you will get the 1 minus 1 divided by xy plus 1 divided by x square y square into x into dy is equal to 0. Okay, then you will get the m is equal to, I'm just taking here, m is equal to 1 plus 1 divided by xy plus 1 divided by x square y square into y, and n is equal to 1 minus 1 divided by xy plus 1 divided by x square y square into x is here. Okay, बघा आपल्याला m आणि n मिळालेले आहेत. आफ्टर गेटिंग m and n we find out first f, where it is nothing but integration y kept constant and m into dx is there. Therefore you will get the directly I am taking y constant outside, and you will get the 1 plus 1 divided by xy, 1 divided by xy plus 1 divided by x square y square into dx is here, and this is y outside. Just taking integration of 1 into dx. Here once again 1 divided by y is taken outside, and 1 divided by x into dx, plus here once again taking y square, 1 divided by y square outside, and we're taking integration 1 divided by x square into dx is here. And according to rule, what is the integration of dx? X having x 1 divided by y into log of x is here, and plus 1 divided by y square, and integration of x raised to minus 2 into dx is there. And according to that, y into integration, y into x plus 1 divided by y into log x plus 1 divided by y square into I'm taking directly minus 1 divided by x is there. Okay, that means what? X raised to minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1, that means x raised to minus 1 divided by minus 1, and it is nothing but 1 divided by x is there. Okay, according to that, multiplying it and multiplying y inside, you will get the f is here. F is nothing but xy plus log x plus minus 1 divided by xy is there. And after that, n having I'm just simplify it here. N is equal to x minus 1 divided by y plus 1 divided by x into y square is here, and therefore n contain one term which does not contain x but contain y, and therefore we integrate. N is equal to integration of minus 1 divided by y into dy. Once again I repeat it. N by using n we want to calculate the g, and for calculating the g we just search the term n which does not contain x but contain only y, and here these terms containing x and therefore neglect it, and this term contain only y, and therefore we have to take this term minus 1 divided by y, and taking the integration of this one is nothing but a minus log y is there, minus log y is there. Then we get the value of f and value of g. Then the solution, the general solution of exact differential equation is f plus g is equal to c, and according to this rule, f is here, that means xy plus log x minus 1 divided by xy plus what is the value of g? G having the value minus log y is equal to c is there, and this is your final result for the differential equation by using the rule number 2 is there. What is the rule number 2? I have I had made one mistake. I made one mistake in rule number 2. Just correct it by using f1 xy into y dx plus f2 xy into x into dy is equal to 0, and therefore m is equal to f1 xy into y, and n is equal to f2 xy into x is there. Then you will get the integrating factor is 1 divided by mx minus ny is there, and according to that you will get the integrating factor 1 divided by 2 x square y square, omitting 2 factor is here, and you will get the integration factor is equal to 1 divided by x square y square. Multiplying this equation you will get the m and n, and then find the f and g. Just remember that for finding the value of g, we take the integration of n, which integration of n with respect to y. For this purpose, only take the term which containing y, which containing only y or constant. Otherwise, other terms having the integration 0, and therefore we just take the minus 1 divided by y into dy, and it is having a integration minus log into y, and the general solution of this differential equation is f plus g is equal to c is there, and according to that you will get the final result is there. That means you will get the integration is nothing but a, we also formulate the log x minus log y, that means x divided by y is there, and according to you will get the final solution of that differential equation by using rule number 2. जर तुम्हाला हे आवडलं असेल, समजलं असेल तर लाईक करा, शेअर करा आणि सबस्क्राईब करायला विसरू नका. थँक्यू.